How do you fix SpiritVale is crashing on Steam? So first you want to go to your library and right click on the game, open up the properties. Now in the launch options you'll need to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close out of Steam. Now you'll need to open up your browser and go to this link which is in the description below. From here, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installer for the redistributables, both of them. And once you finish the installation, this will require you to restart your computer. And right after the restart, one thing you'll need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So in case if you're using NVIDIA GPU, you can use the NVIDIA app to download updates. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software if you're running AMD. And once you finish the installation, all you need to do is launch Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin, and then launch the game from your library, and it should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.